Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. This video is going to be a review of the Advanced Traffic Blueprint that you see here on the screen. This is the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. It is going to teach you the art of launch jacking, which is a simple YouTube strategy that can generate traffic, leads, and sales quickly and will allow you to grow an evergreen business. Now, you may not know what launch jacking is. Launch jacking is simply the method of doing reviews for products, specifically in this case, in the niche of internet marketing or make money online. Now, there's typically two ways to sell a product. The first way being evergreen, meaning you put up a sign and you say, hey, I have a product for sale, and the product is always for sale. The second way is to do a product launch. And as you can see here on the screen, product launches help to create urgency that motivate prospects to act before the cart closes, the cart being the payment gateway. Evergreen courses lack the urgency of product launches, but they also lack the concentrated time commitment that launch week brings. There are other strategies that you can use to do this, but these are the two primary ways that we're focused on, specifically when we're talking about this training, which is the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. And the strategy you're going to learn in the Advanced Traffic Blueprint is the ultimate 30-day bootcamp. It's a simple strategy that allows you to make real progress. Also included in this is a lifetime access to a true online community. And with this online community, you'll have access to me as well as the founder and creator of Taking Action Online and the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, Philip Barrowman, as well as everyone else in the community that is there and serious about taking a strategy like the Advanced Traffic Blueprint and putting it into action to really make money online. Back to this page, you'll see here, you're going to learn the subtle art of launch jacking, and you are here because you've been searching for that online income for a while, but you suffer from information overload, shiny object syndrome, which is just simply spending money on products and training that simply do not work, or you know what to do, but you just actually never done it, and at the end of the day, you want something that's honest. Now, this is the utmost importance to understand, so listen to what I'm saying. You want something that's honest. Honestly doing real reviews on real products, again, in the internet marketing and make money online space that you find, not just doing what you would typically, if you've seen product reviews in the space before that follow what most people call launch jacking, which is just making a video and putting that information out there about, hey, this product is for sale. I have a whole bunch of bonuses that are worth a whole bunch of money, so buy the product through my link. And then they just basically talk about how great their bonuses are, and they might say a little bit about the product, but they don't ever actually show you what the product really can do. Hence, they're not really doing a review. In this case, the Advanced Traffic Blueprint is going to show you exactly how to do a real, honest review. So here's a quick look inside of the community that you will get access when you join the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. This is the Taking Action Online Inner Circle. As you can see, it has a news feed here that shows you what's going on with, you can see the creator, Philip Barrowman, as well as other members. They're talking about posting what's going on in the community, different things that they're doing for their business, and using this strategy as well as others. Because if you go down here, you'll see that inside of this is coaching. And right here inside of your coaching, you'll have access to the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. When you access this product, here inside the community, you can see the coaching. If you purchase the on-demand version, you'll be able to access all the previous workshops as well as each module that walks you through all the training. And it's all right here inside of the community. As well as you'll always be able to go back to the network. And inside of the network, you'll have access to the home news feed, which is the Taking Action Online Inner Circle. And understand that everyone inside of the Inner Circle for Taking Action Online, where you'll be doing your Advanced Traffic Blueprint training, is a paid participant, meaning they are here because they are serious. They are serious about making money online and utilizing a strategy such as the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. You can also see here, there are events that occur. And when these events occur, if they're part of the group that you're in and the training you're in, you'll be able to attend those as well as upcoming events for the entire inner circle. Again, I'm talking about a real inner circle with paid participants that you get access to when you purchase Advanced Traffic Blueprint, either the on-demand Advanced Traffic Blueprint or the live workshop. Of course, there's two prices. One for the on-demand is going to be a little bit cheaper than the one that's live, which makes sense because you'll have live access to the instructor at set times to actually walk you through the blueprint. Of course, you'll have all the training inside of the training, as well as when you're inside of the community, you'll be able to click here and chat with all the group members inside of the Taking Action Online Inner Circle, as well as your fellow ATB or Advanced Traffic Blueprint members. You'll get notifications right here, just like in any other social media. And of course, I'm here. You can see my profile here. I am a mentor inside of the Inner Circle, and being a mentor means that I am readily available to answer any and all questions that you have during the time that you spend in the Inner Circle, as well as directly related to the strategy that you'll be learning inside of the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. And now I want to show you a little bit more about that strategy, because you've seen the sales page, you've seen inside the Inner Circle. Now I want to show you the actual strategy and how I utilize it on my YouTube channel. So of course, this is my YouTube channel here, 30-Minute Marketing. As you can see here, I have tons of videos, but what I want you to focus in on is the video that has the keyword review in it. You can see here that this is a check it review video. Now this review video, just like this video that I'm doing for Advanced Traffic Blueprint, I simply walk through the product and I tell the pros and the cons. Some products I promote because they're good products. Some products I don't promote, meaning I don't have an affiliate link for that product and I don't have a bonus for that product. And I'm simply just communicating to my audience, which is you, about the product and how it can help them or how it could even hurt them if they were trying to follow the strategy. Again, Advanced Traffic Blueprint is this same strategy. And what we're doing with this strategy is we're reviewing products, a real review that help real people inside of the Make Money Online internet marketing niche that are trying to make a decision whether or not to spend their money on these products. So back to my YouTube channel, you can see here, check its review. If you scroll down through here, and of course, you can always check out my channel and you can see these types of reviews. Here's one for VidCloud. You can see one for It's Fresh. You can see one here for Money for Everyone. Now the question is probably, where do you actually find this information? And of course, that'll all be covered in the training, but I want to give you a little sneak peek so you understand where these types of products come from. One place they come from, as you see here on the screen, is Warrior Plus, by simply just going to their marketplace and going to their top sellers. And over the last 30 days, simply just looking at the products that are for sale in the Make Money Online internet marketing niche. And you'll simply just come here and you'll do something like this. Copy the breakout code 2.0, copy that into your buffer, go back to YouTube and simply just type that in and type in review. And as you can see, what's going to happen is videos are going to pop up and they're going to be review videos. And I'm sure if you've made it this far, you know exactly what I'm talking about when you watch these reviews. You probably even recognize some of the names that you saw on that page. But remember, the goal here is to honestly review products and tell your audience whether the product will work. So if the product does work, even if it's from a person that you may not, let's just say, have a genuine like or love for as a marketer, the strategy here is to always be honest, and I really want to drive that home, because this is not your typical launch jacking course where you just review anything and everything. This is a real foundation that you're going to be able to build a real business on by creating a YouTube channel to generate traffic, leads, and sales. Again, I'll take you back in just one more time so you can see the inner circle. You'll be able to see what's going on by clicking the Discovery tab. You can see top posts, you can see upcoming events, you can see posts once they've been featured, and you can see everything that's going on. You'll even have your own profile, as well as, again, right here inside of the coaching. Under the coaching that you purchased, the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, will be right here for you to jump in, watch the past workshops that occurred. These are the live workshops. If you purchased the live version of this course, you'll get access to all of those, as well as you'll have your own live workshops that you'll attend. And again, inside of that network, you will have access to me as well as everyone else, again, as a paid member of this community, working together to build a real, honest business online, using a strategy such as launch jacking to effectively build a real audience of people that need to know the truth about what's going on with these products. And that is the goal here. Inside of the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, where you will get Module 1, the foundations, Module 2, the strategy, where you go through all the strategies that Philip uses, as well as I use. Module 3, building the foundations of building your website, setting up YouTube, creating squeeze pages, connecting your autoresponder. Now, the thing is, you may already know all of this stuff, but it goes back just like I said earlier in the review. This is not just about you knowing it. This is about you actually being able to take action with the information you know. So when you go through these modules, for example, Module 3, you'll actually walk through and build out those foundations. This information will be drip fed to you, so you can walk through each one to make sure you're completing it. Going through Module 4, creating reviews and getting traffic. Then moving on to Module 5, building a list and a following. Module 6, email marketing and making money. Module 7, how to run an actual affiliate promotion for products that you review that are worth promoting. Module 8, future growth and domination. Now in this last module, Module 8, future growth, this is where it's going to be important for you to understand that you're building a foundation using this strategy to build a real business inside of the niche of make money online, internet marketing, and that's what this program, Advanced Traffic Blueprint, is all about. That's why inside the inner circle, Philip, as well as myself and the other mentors and just the other people, again, the paid participants in this inner circle that are there, that are serious about making money and doing it honestly inside of the make money online internet marketing niche. So what you have is you have two options. You have the on-demand recorded course, currently $4.99, the live coaching course, currently $9.99. As you can see here, both sides you get lifetime access. You can immediately start the training that's in there. You get access to all the modules. They are drip fed. And then you go down and you see everything from done for you email swipes and email automations to printable cheat sheets. But in the on-demand, you don't get access to the 6 live workshops with Philip Barman. You also don't get lifetime access to the Taking Action Online Inner Circle. And you also don't get the fast action bonuses that are available on the night of the live event that are worth $500. Which, of course, if you want to check that out, you would need to check the availability dates by clicking this box and understand that these live events only happen once a quarter because they are live. And there's lots of other things going on inside of Taking Action Online that take up the time of Philip Barman, as well as me, again, the other mentors, everyone that are actually building a real business inside of Taking Action Online. So those only occur quarterly. So again, you have two options. There's a link in the description. The on-demand course, you can get started right now, as well as the live option. You can purchase that and start with the on-demand course information. You can start the course, but the live workshops don't start. And you'll need to check the availability right there. Again, link in the description. Click that link. Pick one of the options, on demand or live. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you need any more information from me, ask in the comments or simply email me. You can also find me in Facebook. All that information is in the description along with the link for the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. Check it out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.